Hello, and welcome back. I have another simple, delicious recipe for you guys to try. This is baked chicken, but this baked chicken recipe is flavorful, it's juicy, it's tender. Okay, and if you haven't already, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's get right to it. So we're gonna start with our chicken thighs that have already been cleaned, cut up. This gives me about 8 chicken thighs here. I removed the skin, but that is totally optional, right? So we're gonna start with some onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, complete seasoning, some salt, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. And we are going to give this a good mix. Make sure that all the seasoning is well combined. And this is going to be our base. This is going to be our marinade. That's going to give us that amazing flavor. Next, we're going to add this to the chicken. And we're just going to ensure that we combine really well, like massage that seasoning into the chicken. We're going to get the color from the paprika. We're getting flavors, getting that herb taste from the Italian seasoning, right? So we're just going to make sure that we season this properly. And we are going to marinate for at least an hour. The longer, the better, right? But an hour should be just fine. Okay, so it's been an hour and now we are going to just grease our baking dish. This is just going to prevent sticking and it's so much easier to clean up, right? And at this point, we want to ensure that our oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Next, we just want to ensure that we place our chicken thighs nice and flat into the baking dish. And next, we're going to add just small pieces of butter to the chicken. And this is just going to help with the moisture, the tenderness. And we're going to cover this and bake for 30 minutes. And then we're going to remove the cover and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. And you're going to baste about every 15 minutes. You're going to baste the chicken. And this is it. You're finished. It's juicy. Like when I tell you that these chicken thighs were so flavorful, it wasn't overbearing. It was just perfect. The right amount of seasoning. It had the right texture. It just melts in your mouth. So please try this recipe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video.